Unlimited Speaking, Alex Fastfood. And today I'm showing you guys my new car I got yesterday. I got it last night, and I wanted to show you guys it, because the car looks. Because every time if I look at this car, I feel like it's like rented. So yeah, let's look at. So yeah, it looks very nice, and I think some of you guys seen that car. So let's go to left, right. And let's go to the back end. Sorry. So this is how the back looks. Yeah. So yeah, I like the new logo on my car. I never had these kind of logos before. That's one of the things I love about this car. And yeah, so let's go in the inside. So let's go on the inside of the car. And this is how the inside looks in the car. Yeah, this is the color of my inside my car. And this is my new car. Yeah, my new car is very neat and nice and brand new. Well, so let's go. I'm gonna go look at the. I'm gonna go look at the trunk. This is how the trunk look. It's like completely nothing because we just got the car and my parents are going to put stuff in the back of this. So yeah, I really like this car, and later today I'm gonna be going on a road trip on this car, and I hope you guys like it. So yeah, I'm about to head inside my house, and yeah, I'm gonna go see what my little brother's doing. Oh yeah, and by the way, yesterday was my little brother's birthday. No, on Friday my little brother's birthday. Yeah, March 25th was his birthday, and guess I'm gonna show you guys what he got for his birthday. It was pretty expensive. So yeah, back, and this is what my little brother got for his birthday on Friday. A tablet. Just like me.
I used to have a tablet, but it broke.
What, you did?
Yeah, the red one.
Oh yeah, the Nebo. Yeah. Wait, is it called Nebo?
No.
Oh, what's it called?
I forgot.
So yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, view, and comment. Peace out.